Well, in my personal opinion, some of the most beautiful Royal Albert china really comes out of the initial transformatory stage in its production history. T.C. Wilde obviously was the manufacturing base and company that at the Albert Works had got the Royal Warrant and consequently brought the Royal Albert brand into existence. And this is an absolutely beautiful example of what they were producing around 1920, 1925, 26. The actual RD numbers date this particular design to 1926. So this piece is probably 26 through to around 1930. China marks on the base absolutely beautifully document its history. 5964 is the internal pattern reference number used by the decorators. The RD number on the base under the registered mark is 719535, and there is the Royal Albert Crown China Brown Crown Mark England used by T.C. Wilde during this period. Now most 5964 was produced with an Argyle style teacup. So these are quite unusual and rare to have this open bowl Victorian straight-sided with this elevated reverse loop. See the way it bends back towards the actual body of the teacup and in such beautiful condition. Again, fantastically decorated right the way down to the base, and just look at the glaze condition on that if I get the reflection for you. Superb. So overall beautiful cobalt blue, yellow, orange and green Imari-esque patterns and design on a very rare shaped teacup in fine English bone china. 5.5 inch saucer plate, central well nice and clean, again not a scratch on it, and the gilt decoration on this again just pops. It's so outstandingly well conserved. Matching china marks on the base. Can you see the translucency of that coming through with the sunlight catching behind it? Particularly there, look at that, that is light coming through this bone china from the window behind us. And they all sit on a 6.25 inch beautifully conserved and decorated side plate. Quite a steep-sided design, as you can see. Again, look at the translucency of the light coming through that bone china. Makes an absolutely stunning trio. Rare as hen's teeth because of the shape of that teacup. It's perfectly possible to find. This was a very popular pattern actually in the 1920s through to 1930s. It sold very well for Royal Albert and has continued for a lengthy period of time. There's no absolute limit on when it was last produced, but I presume probably pre-war 1936-37 saw the end of the production of this particular line. So 26 through to around that period. I think these are early examples when they were experimenting with the different style and shapes of teacups that would work well with it. And to find these sets in such fine condition is a real find for us and an opportunity for collectors of English fine bone china from this period. We have 4 of these sets, all in immaculate cabinet condition. A milk jug and a sugar bowl. Unfortunately, the cake plate is cracked through and won't be going on sale. And no teapot as usual. It's always the piece that's missing. If only we could find one, it would be an extremely valuable piece of bone china should we have that. But just for collectors of teacups wanting something from this era, absolute superb condition and superb quality. Thanks for watching.